Hi, this is Miss Krenus, and I'd like to explain arrays to you. Before we left on break, I gave everybody some cereal, and I had you make it into equal groups. So if we can do that in the classroom, you can do that at home. You're going to be looking for equal groups of items, and then turning it into a repeated addition sentence. Okay, so arrays are made into rows and columns. And before we start practicing that, I just want to show you some examples of the household items that I've gotten pictures of. Most of us in our kitchen have a cupcake muffin tin. So this is a perfect example of an array. We've got 3 rows, 4 columns. How many cupcakes could we make? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Another example would be a carton of eggs. I got 2 rows, 6 columns. I know this is a dozen eggs. I wonder how many a dozen is. Another example would be the keyboard of a calculator, or your cell phone maybe, or a computer keyboard. A pack of toilet paper. Look at this, rows and columns. How many rolls of toilet paper are in this package? Legos make arrays. The tops of crayon boxes. This drying rack in a kitchen. Tiles on the floor, or the backsplash of a kitchen. You get the idea. Okay, so now we're ready to start practicing some math problems. Now, you can draw a picture. You can look at the worksheets that were sent. But basically, the idea is to have students recognize the repeated pattern. Now remember, rows run across, columns climb up and down. So here I see 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And that, I could say 3 plus 3 is 6. Another 3 plus 3 is another 6. What's 6 plus 6? I could count all of them, and it's always going to equal the same total. So 4 groups of 3 equals 12. 2 groups of 6 equals 12. I could even say 3 groups of 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 would also be an acceptable answer for this array. And you can see how that repeated addition is getting us ready for multiplication. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.